Hello everyone, in this video we are going to proceed with the topic dinitrogen. Dinitrogen यानी कि N2. बेसिकली जो नाइट्रोजन था यानी कि नाइट्रोजन था that was discovered by the Daniel Rutherford in 1772. Now next we are going to proceed with the electronic configuration. So सबसे पहले nitrogen have the atomic number 7 and the configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. Now if we draw the Lewis dot structure of the nitrogen, as we know that it have the outer 5 electrons and it need more 3 electrons to complete its octet. So that's why it have the triple bond. So nitrogen have the triple bond and it is typically non-metal. Now we are going to proceed with the preparation of the dinitrogen. Method of preparation of dinitrogen. Now ammonium chloride NH4Cl plus NaNO2, when we will heat it, we will get N2 plus 2H2O plus NaCl. Now another preparation is NH4 twice Cr2O7 ammonium dichromate. Upon heating, it will form Cr2O3 plus N2 plus 4H2O. So it is also the method of preparation for the nitrogen. Next is 2NH3 plus 3CuO. Upon heating, it will give 3Cu plus N2 plus 3H2O. You can also prepare dinitrogen with the calcium hypochlorite, or you can say that the bleaching, it's a formula of the bleaching powder. Upon heating, we will get 3CaCl2 plus N2 plus 3H2O. So these are some methods for the preparation of the dinitrogen. We can also extract the dinitrogen from the air by the process known as the fractional distillation. So we can also get the dinitrogen from the air by the process known as the fractional distillation. Now we are going to proceed with the properties of dinitrogen. Now सबसे पहले हम करेंगे physical properties. So सबसे पहले है कि जो dinitrogen है N2 is colorless, tasteless gas. नेक्स्ट इज आपको पता होना चाहिए कि डाइनाइट्रोजन के आइसोटोप्स 2 हैं. एक तो है एटॉमिक नंबर, आइसोटोप्स आर दोज whose atomic number are same but their atomic masses are different. So it have the 2 isotopes. Then it is a non-toxic gas. Next it is lighter than air. N2 is lighter than air. Next is it have low solubility in water. Next we are going to proceed with the chemical properties. Chemical properties of dinitrogen. Basically, as we are seeing, as we have discussed, N2 have N triple bond N, means nitrogen have the triple bond which is stronger in nature, and so that's why it's difficult to break that bond, and it is unreactive in nature. So it's unreactive at room temperature due to the high bond dissociation enthalpy. So it's not a combustible substance, or it doesn't support any combustion. ये इसको ना ही आग लग सकती है और ना ही ये support करता है किसी भी, ना इसकी presence में आप कह सकते हो आग लगेगी. Its bond dissociation enthalpy is very high. Its bond dissociation enthalpy is 941.4 kilojoule per mole. It have low reactivity. Why it have the low reactivity? Because it have the triple bond which is difficult to break, or we can say that because it have the high bond dissociation enthalpy. Now first chemical property is action on litmus. As डाइनाइट्रोजन इज न्यूट्रल इन नेचर, जो डाइनाइट्रोजन है हमारे पास N2 इज न्यूट्रल इन नेचर. न्यूट्रल होने की वजह से it will have no action on any litmus paper. It will not have any action on red litmus paper as well as the blue litmus paper due to its neutral nature. Now second है हमारे पास action with metals. Action with metals. Now when lithium is also a metal, so when lithium react with nitrogen, it will give rise to the lithium nitride. When magnesium react with the nitrogen, it will give rise to heat upon heating. Obviously because reactive nature का नहीं है, so you have to heat the reaction mixture. So it will give you Mg3N2, which is magnesium nitride, 3Ca plus N2. Upon heating, it will give you Ca3N2, which is calcium nitride. Now next third property is combination with non-metals. Combination with non-metals. Combination with non-metal. So सबसे पहले हम नाइट्रोजन की जो कम्बिनेशन कर रहे हैं विद हाइड्रोजन. Now when N2 react with H2, it will give rise to ammonia, but we need catalyst iron and molybdenum as a catalytic promoter to fast the action of your catalyst. And at 700 Kelvin, basically the temperature is between 673 to the 700 Kelvin, and under suitable pressure we will get ammonia. So this process is in the Haber's process. Haber's process is for the preparation of the ammonia. So next है हमारे पास combination with oxygen. Next is second non metal है हमारे पास. Second हम जो नाइट्रोजन की कम्बिनेशन करेंगे वो करेंगे विद ऑक्सीजन. Now when N2 react with O2 greater than 2000 Kelvin, it will give you NO, which is known as the nitric oxide. When this NO react with O2, it will give you nitrogen dioxide. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन है, हमने मेटल्स की नॉन मेटल्स की, तो अभी हमारे पास है नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन कम्बिनेशन विद कंपाउंड्स. Combination with compounds. Now when calcium carbide react with nitrogen at 1300 Kelvin, it will give rise to calcium cyanamide. Its name is calcium cyanamide. मैं लिख रही हूँ. So its name is calcium cyanamide. With alumina, Al2O3 is also the compound known as aluminium trioxide भी कह सकते हो. It's also known as the alumina. At 1273 Kelvin, it will give rise to aluminium nitride with carbon monoxide. Next हम इसमें करेंगे what are the uses of dinitrogen. What are the uses of dinitrogen? Now it is used for the manufacturing of number of compounds. आप इससे number of compounds जो है बना सकते हो. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस में यूज़ कर सकते हो. और इसके अलावा अगर आपने आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री में भी आप इसको यूज़ करोगे टू गिव द इनर्ट एटमॉस्फेयर. इनर्ट का मतलब ताकि और कोई रिएक्शंस जो हैं आपके रिएक्शन में इंटरफेयर ना करें. फर्दर जो लिक्विड नाइट्रोजन है इसको बहुत सारे बायोलॉजिकल स्पीसीज़ को संभालने के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं. एज अ रेफ्रिजरेंट यूज़ करते हैं. बहुत सारे फ्रीजिंग फूड स्टफ्स को जो है बचाने के लिए एज अ प्रिजर्वेटिव, एज अ रेफ्रिजरेंट हम इसको यूज़ करते हैं. नेक्स्ट जो आपके जो गैस फिल्ड थर्मोमीटर्स में basically these thermometers are not used in our homes. So these thermometers have the basic application to measure the high temperature. Next, it is used in filling electric bulb to reduce the rate of volatilization ऑफ द टंगस्टन फिलामेंट. टंगस्टन फिलामेंट की जो वोलेटाइजेशन कम हो, वोलाटाइल वो कम नेचर शो करे, तो उसके लिए भी हम जो डाई नाइट्रोजन है उसको बल्ब में, इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब में फिल करते हैं. तो ये था हमारा डाई नाइट्रोजन के बारे में. तो इसमें हमने डाई नाइट्रोजन के इंट्रोडक्शन प्लस सेपरेशन प्लस फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ एंड इट्स यूजेस, यानी कि एक पूरा डाई नाइट्रोजन का टॉपिक कवर किया है.